Hi everyone, this is Kyle Canastra, and today we're going to talk about technology in the special education classroom. Sorry about the voice, I'm a little sick today, but I just wanted to give you guys a little background. So how does technology benefit special education students? It helps some of the students find their voice, increases their independence, personalizes their learning, provides better connection with their peers, it reduces their anxiety, easier communication, and improved academic skills. So by providing these things, the students are more interactive with their peers, with themselves. It can also help with their learning and how some students learn via visual, and so this is just perfect for the students. All students learn differently. They learn through different speeds, different techniques. Like I said, visual, audio, tactile. So some of these students are utilizing these like smart boards, iPads, they're using these different technology to assist them in their classrooms and providing them with different ways to learn. And like I said, it helps them with different speeds. Everyone learns at a different speed. They learn at, different uh, uh, different levels. So using technology just helps them reiterate that all students can participate at the same time because they can still utilize the same apps, same technology to, learn what they need to learn. Modeling, the students can model for each other what to do. Like I said, everybody learns at different speeds. So, if they model where they're at now and they can keep track via like podcasts or utilizing different ways of technology, they can do different lessons and still be all utilizing the same um, applications. There's numerous ways technology can assist special needs students with catching up to general education students. So it helps with the students with, you know, everything. Helps, like I said, everybody learns at different speeds, different levels. So special needs students can't be left behind. We're trying to include and integrate them into the regular ed classrooms, and this is just another way to help them do that. Help them learn on what's best for them. Like I said, some of the different ways technology is used in the special ed classrooms would be smart boards, iPads, Dynavoxes, phones, television, computers, laptops. These are things that students are using every day at home. And as we'll talk about later, like I said, they're using them all the time anyways. And so just using them in the classroom just reiterates helping all students use technology to learn at their speed and their rate. Um, Smart boards, like I said, they're interactive, they're collaborative. As you can see, students are circling things, they're learning how to write. It teaches them life skills. They can learn life skills on the smartboard apps. Um, they can model through visual aids. So these students are up there and the teacher's with them and she can show them how to do anything. You can learn how to do your letters, your numbers. You can do math lessons, science lessons, social studies lessons, all these different lessons, and you can utilize visual, audio, and so you're hitting for all different types of special needs. So, for someone who may be blind, audio technology, you're utilizing the smartboard and they're talking, so you're interacting and you're collaborating. The students are learning how to write, so their coordination, hand-eye coordination, they're learning all that. Also, students are attending through visual, auditory, and tactile means, bringing in much more focus, and the students are engaging, so they're involved in what they're learning rather than just sitting and watching or listening to what the teacher says. They're also involved. They can go to the smartboard. They can actually see what they're doing, and it just practice and practice using the smartboard. It's just so much better and like I said, meets all of their learning styles. The iPad has many different features that help special education students read, write. Um, they can use text to speech, so allows them to hear the words they are reading. And like I said before, it helps this maybe an visually impaired student. They can use this text to speech, so it helps them. They can speak into it or hear what's being written, and using the iPads to really learn what they need to learn. Other apps for the iPad help students with spelling and grammar, so that they can appropriately use the words in their writings. There's different apps to use pictures to communicate, and this can help children with autism express their ideas. That's just an example. So, utilizing different pictures and writings can help these students really learn through the use of the technology via, audio or visual, depending, and writing really helps with their writing fluency. It also gives them a sense of accomplishment as they complete their assignments. They can monitor what tasks they're doing and where they need to get to, and it can really help assist them with moving forward. The Dynavox helps nonverbal students with the opportunity to communicate, play, and learn. So using as you can see, the Dynavox here, Pro-Q2Go, these are some apps, an app on the Dynavox you can use to help them communicate. So they push a button because maybe they can't voice what they want you to know. Well, now they have a way to talk to you. They can use their eyes instead of their hands as well. Some of the devices you can look and it'll push the button. So the movements assist for an individual who may not have hands. They also allow them to tap buttons with symbols, like I said, or switch to typing the words out, and they can tell you exactly what they need or want. iPhones, they're using apps and mobile devices, offer support with spelling, grammar, and word finding. Also can walk a child through storytelling process. Makes it easier to put words into thoughts. So, we use a phone every day to talk, communicate, text, look things up. And just this can help students with their spelling, their grammar, like I said, and it can really help in utilizing these things on a daily basis. Television. We all watch television at some point. According to the University of Michigan Health System Study in 2010, children spend about 28 hours per week, 4 hours a day watching television. Television can potentially improve reading skills and comprehension through the use of captions. So, like I said, we all watch TV, and utilizing captions can help these students with the learning of reading skills and their fluency. Computers and laptops. Students receive more feedback on their writing, edited and revised their papers more often. They draw on a wider range of resources to write and publish their shared work with others more often. We see teachers able to personalize instruction more. So teachers are putting these lessons on the computer anyway. So these students have a better way of learning, and seeing, like I said before, they're able to see exactly what they're doing, what they need to do, what they need to accomplish, and it fulfills them when they do finally get those things done. They're able to see exactly where they're at and where they need to get to. We see them able to give student options to go deeper and improve their learning. Promotes better organization. Laptops help students keep track of their assignments, like I said before. So this just continues to promote better organization skills for these students and a source of achievement. So technology benefits everyone. The ways that we use technology today can help all students, especially special needs students. Can provide a voice, can provide them with anything that they need to get through. We're utilizing it anyways, and this just brings home the fact that how these students, learn, and everybody learns at a different rate. So the use of technology is something that I will continue to use in my classroom as much as possible. Thank you.